Hi, I'm Jim the Grumpy Plumber, and I like to talk about my age. I don't know if you noticed, I'm getting old, and that's the goal. But the one thing I hate about this getting old is that you get scammed. People come into your house and they tell you that the last plumber or the last electrician or the last carpenter did a terrible job and it's going to cost you thousands to fix it. Right away, get rid of that person. Everybody walk in and they give you a price on something. Oh, that's $10,000. Get him out of the house, along with that guy that's trying to scam you. You know, even the young people nowadays, they think they listen to get their car fixed and the guy tells them outrageous price. You just got to shop it, and you got to have faith in the person you're dealing with. And my sister just had to put a septic tank in a house she was selling. I mean, for years, they were in that house 50 years, and that septic tank worked just fine. And all of a sudden she sells it and the guy goes, oh no, it's not big enough for the house. Well, you know, that's a bunch of crap. That's putting a hardship on somebody. As far as I knew, there's a law on hardships. So think about all this, people, before somebody comes in your house and tells you it's going to cost you a lot of money to fix it. You know, there's parts for everything nowadays. You just got to find them, and you just got to find the right guy that knows how to do it. And you don't want some guy that's on a commission. You know, they come out and they go back to the supply house telling everybody that they just scammed this old guy or this old person, lady or something like that. Don't think about it before you make any deals or sign on the dotted line. Hi, I'm Jim the Grumpy Plumber. Good luck.